Okay folks, I'm the owner of a 98 Toyota Tacoma right there, and I just ran into a problem that I just noticed on YouTube a lot of people run into, so I thought I'd be considerate and let y'all know what that issue is. So guys, look at your engine. You just did a head gasket replacement and you were trying to make sure you got everything hooked up like it was, and you forgot this little sensor wire right here that connects to, I don't know if I can get it where you can see it. Let me turn the light on back here. Way back in there. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to see it. You're gonna have to put your hand back up in here, and right where my finger is where you're gonna feel it at. I can't get my camera on it where you can see it, but you're gonna have to make sure you connect that on there before it comes up, because I just spent about 20 minutes trying to get this thing to crank and it wouldn't crank. Somehow it's not getting anything like I'm wanting it to, so I'm like, what's the problem? Saw a short video on YouTube, and apparently they didn't go into detail where the actual thing was. Now here I'm noticing something else. It started to break on the connector, so be very careful as you're putting it back on. That way you do not mess up the sensor itself. I'm not even sure. Okay, it feels fine, so I'm gonna assume that it is okay and that is no issues there. So also remember, your crankshaft sensor is right underneath. It's right. You're gonna have to put your fingers, of course this is hot and so I'm not gonna touch it at this point, but this wire goes down to this little sensor right up underneath your AC compressor. Make sure that's connected as well as that sensor is connected, or it's not going to crank. As well as make sure that all your spark plugs are connected, because that's what I finally narrowed down and it cranked up. Success at last! Burning off a little smoke from all that antifreeze that landed on that muffler. I mean on the exhaust there. So that's all good. We got it all in and we're ready to go.